Are you hitting snooze on repeat and grabbing a sugary cereal on the way out? There's a better way to fuel your day. Join us as we crack the code on breakfast powerhouses. We're talking 12 delicious and nutritious foods that will skyrocket your energy, sharpen your focus, and keep you feeling fantastic all morning long. From protein-packed favorites to antioxidant champions, there's something for everyone. Get ready to transform your mornings into a launchpad for a productive and energized day. First up, unsweetened plain Greek yogurt. Let's dive into the creamy world of yogurt to start your day. Greek yogurt isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with probiotics, it helps your gut thrive, which can aid digestion and even boost your immune system. And guess what? The high protein content in Greek yogurt keeps you feeling satisfied for longer, supporting muscle repair and growth throughout the day. Have you ever tried mixing it with some honey and fresh fruits for a delightful morning treat? It's a classic for a reason. Number 2 is chia seeds. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds are a superfood you can't ignore. They're brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for brain health and memory. They're also a fantastic source of fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer and aids in digestion. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or even bake them into muffins for a nutrient-packed start to your day. Number 3. Banana. Bananas are nature's quick and convenient source of energy, perfect for those mornings when you're short on time. But that's just the beginning of their benefits. Packed with essential nutrients like fiber, potassium, folate, and vitamin C, bananas are a heart-healthy superstar. Potassium, a vital mineral for nerve and muscle function, helps you maintain strength and focus throughout the morning. Fiber keeps you feeling fuller for longer, and folate and vitamin C are essential for heart health and overall well-being. Their natural sweetness also adds a delicious touch to any dish, from oatmeal to pancakes. Number 4. Egg. Eggs are a true breakfast staple, and for good reason. They're a fantastic source of high-quality protein and essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein in your body. They're incredibly versatile, scrambled, boiled, poached. There's a cooking method for everyone. Eggs are also a great source of vitamin D, important for bone health, and choline, which is crucial for cognitive function and memory. Number 5. Wild salmon. Not typically thought of as a breakfast food, wild salmon packs a serious punch of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and cognitive function. It's also a great source of high-quality protein, helping to build muscle and repair tissues. Imagine starting your day with a satisfying and healthy twist. Flaked wild salmon scrambled with chopped vegetables like zucchini and peppers, served on a whole wheat toast. Or, combine your salmon and scrambled eggs with sliced avocados, and you have a well-rounded breakfast that's sure to please. Delicious and nutritious. Number 6. Spinach. A nutritional powerhouse for breakfast, this leafy green is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, along with essential minerals like magnesium and iron. It's excellent for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and bones. The best part? You can add a handful of fresh spinach to your morning smoothie, scramble it with eggs, or even sneak it into a breakfast sandwich for a hidden veggie boost. Looking to up your veggie intake? Spinach is a great way to start. Number 7. Avocado. Avocados are more than just a trendy addition to toast. They're a nutrient-rich superfood. Packed with monounsaturated fats, they can help improve heart health and cholesterol levels. They're also a good source of fiber and potassium, keeping you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the morning. Mashed on toast for a creamy base or blended into a smoothie for a thicker texture, avocados add a delicious and nutritious twist to breakfast. But that's not all. Have you tried avocado toast variations with sliced tomatoes, feta cheese, and a balsamic glaze? The possibilities are endless. Number 8. Berries. Bursting with flavor and color, berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are antioxidant powerhouses. They're low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and those powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and promote healthy skin. They're a refreshing and delicious way to add extra nutrients to your cereal, yogurt, or morning smoothie. Variety is key when it comes to berries. Each type offers unique benefits. Blueberries are known for their high antioxidant content, while raspberries are a good source of fiber. What's your favorite type of berry to include in your breakfast? Share your thoughts in the comments. Number 9. Green tea. Beyond a warm beverage, green tea is a treasure trove of benefits wrapped in a soothing cup. Rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant, green tea offers more than just a caffeine kick. These powerful compounds are known to enhance brain function, improve fat burning, and boost metabolic rate, making it a smart choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Whether you prefer it plain, with a slice of lemon, or infused with herbs like mint or ginger, incorporating green tea into your morning routine is a simple yet effective way to enhance both your mental and physical well-being. Number 10. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are not your average breakfast spud. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body, essential for eye health. They're also a good source of vitamin C and fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping you feeling satisfied. Unlike regular potatoes, sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index, meaning they provide a sustained energy release, perfect for keeping you fueled throughout the busy morning. Thinking outside the box? Consider sweet potato breakfast bowls. Roast chopped sweet potatoes with your favorite spices, top them with black beans, salsa, and a dollop of Greek yogurt for a delicious and protein-packed breakfast. Number 11. Nut butter. Nut butters like almond, peanut, and cashew are more than just a tasty spread. They're a rich source of healthy fats, protein, and vitamins, making them a hearty addition to your breakfast routine. Spread them on whole wheat toast for a satisfying base, or add a spoonful to your oatmeal for extra protein and flavor. Remember, nut butters are calorie-dense, so stick to a recommended serving size to keep your breakfast balanced. Number 12. Oatmeal. This heart-healthy whole grain breakfast option is more than just a bowl of mush. Oatmeal is packed with soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar levels, keeping you feeling energized and focused all morning long. Customize your oatmeal with your favorite fruits, nuts, seeds, or even a drizzle of honey for a delicious and satisfying breakfast. By integrating these 12 power foods into your morning routine, you're not just eating breakfast. You're fueling your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Breakfast is the cornerstone of your daily health journey, providing the foundation to kickstart your metabolism and energy levels. Now, we love hearing from you. Share your favorite breakfast combos in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.